Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan here. Today, we're going to make what I call a chicken taco casserole in a cast iron skillet. And it's a little unique in the fact that what we're going to pour it on, we're going to make some cauliflower florets. And it's really healthy. You guys are going to like it. It tastes delicious. Tastes just like a chicken taco. Let's get to it. Okay, this is my water I'm boiling for the cauliflower. Okay, as soon as that comes up to a boil, I'm going to cook that for about 10 or 15 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, make a little tender, not all the way. So I want to put that in a pot, in the pan. Okay, this here's my Lodge number 8 skillet. I'm going to turn this up to about medium, give or take. Once that's heated up, we're going to spray some cooking spray in there, followed by the star of the show. That'll be my homemade chicken, ground chicken that is. You can see I got not plenty of fat, but enough fat I'm hoping. Where it comes out good, it's not dry. At least it hasn't been at all the ones we've used already. This is chicken breast. When I get my chicken breast in a bulk package, this is the trimmings that I don't use. You know, I cut off, and then I keep it in the freezer, and then I make my sausage. I mean, chicken sausage or just bulk chicken like this. And this green thing here, or whatever color it is, that's some olives per request of the significant other, my little wife there. That there is some chicken broth that we're going to mix with the taco seasoning and the chicken. Here we have a tablespoon and a half of my favorite Mount Olive diced jalapenos. So you can see I got to get another container of those. This is a diced up onion, about a quarter of an onion, maybe a little more. This here is like a half a cup of chopped up bell peppers, multicolored bell peppers. This is some pinto beans right here that I drained off. Okay, we're going to use those. And there is the said cauliflower. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to check the pot here. See the pan. I just put my cauliflower in to start cooking. Okay, the pan's hot. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put some cooking spray in here. Just a little bit there. And we're going to put our ground chicken in there. Now you can buy ground chicken, you know. Funny thing is that's medium heat. That's not even hot. But I'm trying to use my cast iron more and more. I have a bunch back there. I might show you one day. I want to get some more. Like once you start using it, you get addicted to it, and then like I would like to get some more pieces. And we've been getting some here and there, especially online, I guess you could say, because with the one place we were getting it from, the flea market, right down the next town over, they shut down because of the COVID. All those poor people that had, a lot of them used after their livelihood. But anyhow, there was one lady there, she always had a nice selection. She was a little pricey, but if you bought a couple pieces, then she'd make a deal with you. But anyway, this is a Lodge. I've got Wagner. I've got some from Taiwan, some from Japan, some from Korea. So I don't really use them that much. China. I have some Wagner ware. I've got Lodge. Lodge isn't bad, really. You know, a lot of people complain because they hear this. You know, it's not a smooth finish, but you know, once you use it enough, you get over time. You use it, it'll smooth out just like the other stuff do. I got Wagnerware, I got Griswold. So, but I'm going to try to use more and more of it as we go along. So once this is browned up, we'll be back, all right? Okay, as you can see, the chicken pretty much there. So now what I'm going to do, I switched over to the spatula so I can mix it easier. So now what we're going to do is put in about 3 tablespoons or like 1 packet of taco seasoning. And you can always add more later on if you want. Okay. Like I said, I've already got my cauliflower cooking. I'm gonna mix this up here and let it cook for a couple seconds. And then I'm gonna show you what we'll do then. We're gonna add some chicken broth and then we're gonna let that cook down until it's just about gone. And it'll get all the meat, nice looking color, nice flavor, nice taste, nice aroma. I'm telling you, this stuff tastes just like a chicken taco. You ever had a chicken taco from Taco Bell or anybody else like that? That's just what this tastes like when it's done. Except we're going to be adding a few more ingredients, which will make it even more flavorful. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour the chicken broth in. Okay, we're going to turn the heat up a little bit because I want this to cook out. So we're going to turn the heat up here, like I said, and I'm trying to reduce. I don't want hardly no liquid left. So we'll be back in a few minutes. It's starting to bubble up now, so I'm going to add my onions in. This has only been about 3 minutes, maybe 2 minutes. I'm going to put my onions in. And I'll probably throw in the jalapeno. Boy, it already smells gangbusters here. But we're just going to get this going, and we'll be back. Okay, my cauliflower's done. So we're slowly making progress here. We're going to dump some beans in here. You can dump any kind of beans you want. Black beans, the cannellini beans. I did the canned pintos. You can do whatever you like. We're going to be making some fresh pinto beans. We'll be doing a video on that pretty soon. Penny's family recipe, I guess we could say. But at any rate, this is we're getting there. We got to do a few more things. But the liquid's starting to fade out. And there's still some in there, so give us a couple more minutes and we'll be ready to rock. Okay, so now we're going to be adding our peppers in. Just add all those puppies right in there. Now those peppers I just put in there, that's ones I buy at the store and I cut them up myself when they have them. They very rarely have them, so when they do, I get them, I cut them up, and in the freezer they go. When I need them, I have them. Got about 4 or 5 bags of that still in the freezer. And I use a little bit at a time out of each one. But I do like them for color, and sometimes they have a little bit of flavor in there that you like. But most of the time I use it for the color of the dish because it brightens it up. As you will soon see here, this is about done. I just want to get my little black olives that my significant other wanted mixed in here pretty well. And I think we have it right about there. So now I'm going to just put some of the cauliflower in here, not all of it. that'll be up to you guys, you know, how much you want. What we usually do is just take some, we put some in there, and then if you want more in your dish, you add it to it. But, because this is a real cooking show, we're going to put some of the cauliflower in there. I don't want to break it up too much. Nice and soft. It's still got a little crunch to it though. That way we have our little bit of a casserole kind of deal. And just gently fold this around. Get some color on the cauliflower. And there you have it. Pretty quick and simple dish. You guys should give it a try. You know you're going to like it. Okay, guys. We'll meet you at the taste test table. Significant other came out and took a dip. She's in hog heaven. So, let me plate some of this up and we'll meet you at the table, huh? Okay guys, there's my finished product. I just threw some cheese on that was open on top. You can put whatever you want, sour cream, yogurt, a little shot of lemon juice. But anyway, we'll meet you at the table. Okay, so here we are at the taste test table again, my friends. This has turned out really delicious. I think it's better than the first time I made it. So anyway, let's get a taste of this. Look at Elmo, he's smiling ear to ear. He already got a taste. I'm going to tell you, this is going to be delicious. I threw some cheese on here, like I said. You can put whatever you like. Nice and juicy top. Could have put some salt and pepper in here, but I didn't. But it tastes good. I can taste everything we put in here. Now, if you don't like cauliflower, you can put it on rice, you can put it on noodles, you can put whatever you like. This cauliflower deal, that's the real thing. That tastes real good. So I'm going to take one more bite and we'll get down to business. I'm trying to get me another olive in there. Those olives really, Penny was right again as usual. Okay, I think I'm going to stop asking what else I can add to it. But it is delicious. That made a nice flavor to it. Okay, without further ado, there's Mr. Dan saying, when you're out and about, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Hopefully you'll get this COVID thing under control here. When you're out and about also, when you get in your car, wash your hands with the sanitizing spray or gel. Wash them up real good before you drive off. And when you do, if you go to another store, do the same thing. And then if not, just wait till you get home. After you bring all the groceries in or whatever you got, wash your hands again really good with soap and water. Don't talk with your mouth full unless it's another delicious dish like this. And you're telling all your friends how good it was and where you found it. Okay, give us a like. Share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't yet. When you do a little drop down box, when you hit the subscribe button, the box will pop down with the bell. You hit the bell. That'll put you on thing to get notified each time we put out another video. There's a little arrow up there also. Upper right hand corner right below the video. You hit that, drop down box will come down. That'll give you the complete recipe, what we did, how we did it, the ingredients. Also give you a link to our Facebook Cooking with Mr. Dan page, and also give you a link to my daughter's artwork page. Anyhow, thanks for showing up. This is Mr. Dan saying stay hungry, my friends. And when you are, you come back and we'll have another delicious dish just like this for you. We're out.